Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by authenticating to the Call Metadata API and granting the minimum required permissions. Pull the recent call logs and filter entries where caller ID is private, anonymous, or null. Once done, normalize each record strip formatting, set a consistent time zone, and create a unique request ID for tracing. You do this because clean inputs let your detection and enrichment steps run reliably, and it avoids false positives when you later attempt to recover or replace missing caller information. You now enrich each private entry by querying carrier lookup and CNAM services, and by inspecting SIP headers like p-asserted identity, from, and remote party ID from call control logs. Combine reverse lookup results with any device or account metadata you hold, and compute a confidence score for each candidate match. Make sure to set thresholds. Only replace the display name or number when confidence is high. This avoids mislabeling. Lower confidence cases should remain marked private and be queued for manual review. You finish by atomically writing the chosen caller ID into your records, then pushing updates to the live UI or downstream systems so users see the change. Verify by requerying the record and confirming the display update, and then write an immutable audit row with the confidence score, source service, and your request ID. If something goes wrong, do not overwrite the original private flag. Instead, revert to the saved snapshot and trigger an alert. This single troubleshooting tip helps you avoid accidental exposure or data corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.